Okay, so this is what you have to do to the canopy before you put it on top. You have to fold it inside out or outside in. So this is the inside. It'll be on the outside when they put it up on top.
Yeah, we should have. Here. I can reach this. True.
So the object is to get the snaps right along the top.
Yeah, pretty much, and then now we can get it started here.
I think that's
Get all the snaps to the top.
Here,
Yeah.
knob on that side, down through the loop, and back up around it.
Okay.
On these ones here, on the sides, oh boy, it's been a while.
So you're trying to get
Down through the loop,
two of them.
okay. Ball goes behind the rib. And then that wraps around it. And we like to jump around.
Okay, what do you do to snaps up on top?
Yeah, we'll do the snaps also. Key is like to do them like lug nuts on a tire. You know, do a few over here, a few over here, a few.
Oh,
And
okay,
otherwise, you'll get, if you do all one side, you'll never get the other
Right.
side.
It's different in different places. Okay, so this is great. This is where the vests and everything can be on top of here. So we'll have a video record.